Welcome to the Accu web hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to secure the WordPress admin area. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, Accu Web Hosting. We have mentioned our Telegram channel link in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF file of this video tutorial. Before we begin, take a look at accuwebhosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@accuwebhosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Many website owners are complaining about WordPress security. Brute force attacks are a common type of hacking attempt which mainly consists of repeatedly guessing username and password combinations until the right login credentials are obtained. To demystify the process, we have outlined 5 tips. You can implement it to secure your WordPress admin area. We are using our website wp.demovpstest.com website as an example. The first vital tip is to use a strong password for WordPress admin. In terms of passwords, always follow the WordPress guide. When you enter the password in the entry box, it shows how strong is your password. Always make your password strong in that aspect. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters in your passwords. This makes it harder for the password to be guessed and for an unauthorized user to gain access. The second vital tip is to restrict the number of login attempts. You can protect WordPress admin and prevent the risk of potential brute force attacks by limiting the number of login attempts. While trying to attack your site, scammers will bombard your site's login page with many different combinations of characters until they find the one that grants them access to your site's admin area. By default, WordPress allows users to enter passwords as many times as they want. This means someone can keep trying to guess your WordPress password by entering different combinations. It also allows hackers to use automated scripts to crack passwords. Therefore, you can limit the number of login attempts made from a specific IP address. Let's restrict the number of login attempts. Go to the WordPress admin area and install the Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin. Activate Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin. This plugin will block an IP from making further attempts after a specified limit on retries has been reached, making a brute force attack difficult or impossible. As soon as you activate the plugin, it starts working right away. By default, users get 4 guesses before the plugin locks them out. The default settings will work for most websites, but we'll walk you through how you can customize the plugin settings for your site. Visit the Limit Login Attempts page, and then click on the Settings tab at the top. In the Local App section, you can define how many login attempts can be made and how long a user will have to wait before they can try again. Don't forget to click the Save Settings button at the bottom of the screen to store your changes. Let's check how Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin works. After activating the plugin, if anyone is trying to log into the WordPress admin area using the wrong details, it shows the remaining number of attempts. If the user reaches the login attempt limit, the plugin will block the user's IP address to access the WordPress admin area. The third tip is to use custom login URL. To access your site's admin panel, you need to use the URL that ends either with WP Admin, or WP Login. However, these two are rather obvious options that put your site at the risk of being hacked. WordPress does not have the default option to customize your site's login page URL. You can add the respective functionality to your site with the help of WordPress plugins like WPS Hide Login. To create a custom URL for the login page using WPS Hide Login, install and activate the WPS Hide Login plugin on your site. Once you activate the plugin, open the WPS Hide Login plugin setting. Find the Login URL field. Type custom URL and click on Save the Changes button. You will see the message, "Your login page is now here." Now you can log in to your site using the custom URL you have entered. The fourth tip is to force admin area on SSL. Google has made it compulsory to have an SSL certificate installed. But sometimes, even after you install an SSL certificate, some issues arise, and your site doesn't load on HTTPS. For example, if you haven't forced the HTTP version website to load on a secure HTTPS connection, your site still shows the HTTP version. The constant force _SSL_admin can be set to true in the wp-config.php file to force all admin sessions to happen over SSL. Open the wp-config.php file and add the following line in the wp-config.php file. Once you add the previously mentioned line, save the wp-config.php file. Now this line force WordPress admin area on SSL. The fifth tip is to disable login hints. By default, WordPress displays an error message when a user enters the wrong username or password on the login page. These error messages can be used to figure out a user's login email address or password. If a user enters the wrong username, then the following error message is shown. Invalid username. Lost your password. If the user enters a wrong password, then the following error message is shown in WordPress. The password you entered for username is incorrect. Lost your password? Let's disable the login error hint and replace it with a custom message. Log in to your WordPress site with an administrator account. On the dashboard in the left sidebar, click Appearance, and then click Theme Editor. On the editor page, look at the right column where you see the theme files. Under this field, you will see a list of all the files related to your theme. In this example, we are using the 2021 theme. Find the file, functions.php, and click on it. Go to the end of the function.php file. Now add the following code to the end of the functions.php file. Click on the Update File button. This code adds your custom message as a filter to login errors. This will override default WordPress login errors. We have mentioned the error message, "Something is wrong." You can use your own message. If someone enters an incorrect username, password, or email, WordPress shows the error, "Something is wrong," without giving any hints. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to secure WordPress admin area. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have access to the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.